what is going on? Shout out to you guys. Alex O Crypto here. Look at all these people wishing me happy birthday in the chat. Wild, wild, wild. How we all doing? People cracking beers. Roberto in the chat. Rob the Crypto Snob. How's it going, man? TRD Farmer. Jonathan Schaefer. Darren Does Things. Brooke Frolich. My God, we are going to have a fun stream. It's my birthday. Like you could say, let's all sing. Because when it's your birthday, it's tradition that we sing. So happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday, dear Alex O Crypto. Happy birthday to me. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Much love, much respect to you guys. The real OGs are in the chat. Yes, the original Gangster Otter Gang is in the chat. Much love to you guys. Thank you so much for being here. I appreciate you guys. You guys are amazing. Thanks for always supporting this channel, being in the Discord, being my friend. You know, I love you guys. You guys are amazing, right? We're out here trying to extract profits, looking at these charts. We got a major pump on my birthday. Now, look at this. This is wild. We're going to get into the charts. Thank you so much for being here. But you're still not ready for the four elements. Earth. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Anyways, we'll get into that a little later on. But what's going on with Bitcoin? We got some levels. We got some awesome things to look at. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. I'm reading the chat right now. I see otters. I see hands in the air. I see real OGs. Alternative ending. How old are you? How old are you? How old are you now? 33 years old and looking okay, I guess. I mean, I quit smoking a couple years ago just to prolong, the graying of the hair. Just trying to live a good, healthy life. But, trading crypto doesn't always help with the grays. Sometimes it can be stressful. So thank you guys so much for being here. Helping me with my mindset, helping me stay stress-free at the charts. Look at us. We're getting a pump. We're at 26.8, my friends. Holy smokes, Bitcoin is flying. It is flying. We are up already a big whopping 72% from the bottom. Whew. Whew. Nice grays. Thank you, Jonathan Schaefer. Shout out to the gray-haired crew. I don't know. Whatever. We got wisdom, okay? We got wisdom. Now, we got this big level above us here. Make sure to put this big level on your chart here. Right at 28,950, 29K. Okay, this is a very important level that I believe will allow us to enter into this area here. This is the area that we want to go to, right? So multiple touches throughout here. So be aware of this area. Make sure to have it marked on your charts, right? We're going to look at a bigger picture here today. Trying to get back on the wagon now. Good for you, man. I quit smoking when my boy was born. Then I found out it was 3 years on the way. Wow, kids. Kids will do that, won't they? Won't they? That's why we're kid-free in this household right now. Dave Digital throwing the otters in the chat. Streaming on my birthday because we don't miss a stream for you guys because we're always out here. Thank you guys for being here. Smash up that like button. Throw this out. Say it's Alex O Crypto's birthday. So make sure you go over and say hi to Alex O Crypto. He'll throw down a beatbox for you, and we'll look at the charts and try to extract some profits. And this community, I mean, thank you guys so much. We've grown by leaps and bounds. We started 3 months ago or something like that, and we're already at 200 plus subscribers. We're growing rapidly. Hopefully, we can try to help more Otter Gang people find these charts and find some success, find some levels, and we're all here to try and help people grow and prosper and profit from these markets while maintaining a healthy mindset. Happy birthday, going head to head with Frankie. I don't want to go head to head with Frankie because he's got those calves, and we know Frankie Candle's got the calves, and he could probably dunk on me. So we'll be very careful and cautious about going head to head with Frankie. But I just wanted to come on here, give you guys some levels, give you guys some ideas so that we can look to extract some profits in order to help us remain profitable. So look, we have this top here. This top is very important. It has obviously been broken, but this is our level back into this range, okay? So we want to be keeping an eye on this top. Why is this top so important? Well, for me, it's where we've come down and broken through into and ranged ever since the beginning of June. That's very important to note that this is kind of our June entry to lower price action. Also, we want to look at this long-term time frame. We can see we got some like neon lights here. It's like a rave party because it's a birthday party, okay? So happy day of birth, says Javier Kickboxer, aka Nova77. Thank you so much, Javier. Smash the like now, says Jonathan Schaefer. Now, I'm going to delete this one here. Now, we got to see that on the 3-day, we can see a very, very significant divergence of bearishness, okay? Divergence of bearishness, bearish divergence, whatever you want to call it. We are overbought on the high-term time frames. Can this mean that we are going to head down? Quite possibly, but with all this pumpage, who knows? Who knows? It looks like we're trying to make these higher highs. We are making higher highs. A new higher high on my birthday for the Bitcoin price. This is amazing. I hope you guys are excited. I hope you guys picked up enough Bitcoin down here. But can we see a retracement? Can we see lower lows? We've had FUD in the markets with all the bank bailouts, and we don't have very much a clear idea of if the bull run is back on or not. We just see that Bitcoin is pumping to the moon, and we need to be very cautious here on how we play this because obviously what are we looking for right now? We're looking for a short. In my opinion, we're looking for a short. So we have these key areas above us, right? We're going to pull some volume on these lower term time frames, but just as a reminder, we can see that we have a very significant bearish divergence that has played out slightly before, but it could continue to play out again if we do roll over from here. So keep your eyes on that. And we found some other bearish divergences on the 4-hour and the 3-hour, I believe, which we'll get into as well. So I hope you're all doing well. Thank you guys so much for your support and love and friendship. It's been great. We're going to continue on our way, making live streams for you guys, growing slowly but surely, and hopefully helping you guys extract some profits from these markets, right? So, looking at the price here on the daily looks still to be strong. It looks like there is more room here on the market cipher. Are we curling up on the market cipher? Not quite yet. It looks to be still in the red on the money flow. VWAP has come down and it started flipping upwards, and we can see stochastic is moving to the overbought area. So this is still very much on an uptrend on the daily. So we need to be cautious here. We need to watch where we're looking for our shorts, right? We can see here also on the daily that there isn't really much sign of slowing down. You can see immense pump from the bottom here all the way up. A whole big, huge 40% pretty much. But we have the big level above us, and we have some resistances that we're going to find together. Now, it is Friday. We got to remind people when it's Friday, we got to remember that volume is about to slow down. What does that mean? That means the weekend is here, right? The stock markets are closed, so therefore volume's going to slow down. Will Bitcoin slow down? Well, looking at it right now, objectively, it doesn't look like it's stopping anywhere. So we're going to be very cautious here. Shout out to the chat. Has anybody in the chat gone skydiving before? I'm about to jump out of a plane in about 3 hours. This is what I'm doing on my birthday, my 33rd birthday. We have decided to jump out of a plane. I'm going to pop my plane cherry. I'm going to be flying out of an airplane that you should typically stay inside of. And I have decided that I'm going to jump out of one. Does anybody have experience with skydiving and any suggestions? Should I not open my mouth? Is the air going to go through my nostrils and blow my ears out? Is my hair going to be good? Should I open my arms wide? Should I shave my armpits so I'm more aerodynamic? Should I shave my beard? There's a whole bunch of questions I have running through my head, but you guys let me know on what I should do. Should I just bring a wingsuit and just pretend I'm Batman? So I'm gonna make sure to join us in the Discord because I'm getting that video. I'm gonna share the video with you guys. I'm gonna share some screenshots and maybe have a special skydive live if you guys are down for that. And we can I will shout out Otter Gang as I'm flying. Okay. So hopefully we can all open your mouth wide and let the beard fly. I'm going to send some good pictures on the Discord. Make sure you're in the Discord. And hopefully I don't splat. If I splat, okay, just remember that I said it here, that I love you guys, and I hope you guys all profit and make the bag, okay? Look at us. We're pumping up right now. Probably best to wear a banana hammock instead of shorts. Oh, my God. Jake, don't worry about those things. You're going to have enough trouble staying conscious. Oh, my God. Look, we're hitting an alert. We're hitting an alert 27K. Look at us. We're pumping. Wow, guys, let's zoom in here. We are flying. Oof, oof, oof. It's going. Look at us go. Look at us go. 27, 160. Wow. Wow. It is relentless. We got all the way up to 186. Did anybody short this? Oof. Go, 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 go. Short position stop loss hit. I think mine just got hit as well. Wow. It is flying. We're up to 27.2 and change. Whoa, 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 whoa. Look at Bitcoin go. And it's gone. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it's going to the moon. Wow. Look at it go. Look at it go. It's flying. It's flying. It's flying. Wow. It's just going upstairs to liquidate people. It's just going up to the moon. When will Bitcoin stop? Nobody knows. We have a giant volume gap that we're currently in, and our next stop is 28K. Look at it go. 27.2, 27.250. Wow. 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 What a birthday pump this is. Don't forget to pay yourselves if you guys are in longs. This is amazing. 30K, and I sell everything I have, just like Michael Saylor. We are watching the Bitcoin price. It is flying. 28K next resistance. Well, let's go and find out that really quickly for us and find out where the next resistance is, because this is wild. We're going to go and look and find out if we can see some next levels of resistance. And we got to go all the way back We're going to zoom out here. I'm going to turn off the log and the auto because we're automatic. 27.3 says the Felix man. Shout out to Felix. Thank you for being here. My man, the Otter Gang is here to play. We got 27.98. Wow, but we have this. Ooh, I didn't see this. Let's zoom in here. We got a little bit of confluence over here on these red X's. So we have this group here. Let's see what it says. Oof, this is crazy. We flying. That's a thick ass line, Alex. Okay, let's watch this here. We got 27.408 as a point of control. 27.408. Okay, I gotta move this alarm. It is just annoying us. Move the alarm up here. We'll go up to 27.4. 50K is next. Where does 27.300 come from? I would say 27.4 when looking at this previous range to the left. Here, let's look at this full range. Let's pull this, look across. Let's see what it gives us. Okay. We got a point of control at 30K. Oof. 30K 100. Let's go with 30K. We got this big level. Okay, this is a big level right here. This 28,800. This is massive, okay? So we got to be watching this. Have a safe jump. Got to go. Thank you so much, Dave Digital, for being here. Rejected from 27,300. This is going to be interesting. We are at 26,943. We are heading back down. Let's go back over to that. Let's check it out. We are heading back down. We have been rejected. You know, we asked her on a date. She said, no, I'm going out with your best friend. We're not going out together. Bye-bye. Take care, Dave Digital. Thank you so much for being here. We've been rejected. She said no. She doesn't want anything to do with us. So we better be persistent, because that's how I came to find my Mrs. Otter, is persistence and patience. So if I have any suggestions, is chase the one that you know is the one. That's my love advice. Hope you're all doing well. Thanks for the birthday wishes. Thank you guys for being here. We have another level at 27,433. So mark that out on your charts. I mean, we know when we go to the left, this is the left-hand side here. We know that there is major levels above us. We know that there's a point of control here and value area high here. So let's draw a range. We'll make a box. We'll get rid of these red lines, because to me they're not. We'll put local POC for that range so that we have it. But we know this big level above us is at this 28,800 level. Okay, chase a girl that lets you do what you love. That's it. That's it. Mrs. Otter, super supportive, superstar. She's already jumped out of a plane and survived. Okay? She survived. So that's why she's a keeper, right? She knows she's showing me the ropes. Posted last night for everyone. Thank you, Felix. Always sharing your charts, always trying to help the community. I appreciate you so much, my man. Thank you for being here. Now, going through the charts, we can see that maybe we should just go play Diablo 4. Not financial advice, but I hope to see. Wow, this has been really good. We are dumping back down, getting rejected here. Now look at the 4 hour and the 5 hour. This is what I was going to get to, but we started to pump, so we got all excited. And it's a birthday, so we're gonna have fun here. We got a bearish divergence on the 4 hour. What about the 5 hour? What is the 5 hour saying? Oh, it's a very similar, not as strong, right? Not as strong. What about the 3? The 3 looks to be a bit stronger as well. So there is some bearish signals on this mid-term time frame. You can see how steep of an uptrend this has been, right? Looks like it's coming back for an attempt at 20 at this higher level. So we'll keep an eye on that. But we are being rejected. We are being rejected. She wants nothing to do with us, friends. So we can see that we've come back down almost a whole 1%. He's level 15. What character are you playing, Felix? Hope you're doing well. If your mother only knew. If your mother knew. She probably throw you out her home. You probably be upon your apartment all alone. Boom. If your father boom. Rogue with daggers. That's dangerous. You can play Rogue. I thought you could only play Sorcerer's Barb and Rogue probably. Yeah, see. I'm not up to date with that yet. Diablo 4 just came out this morning, so a lot of people are jumping on that beta. We're looking at the charts here, okay? We're looking at the charts, trying to extract some profit. So I got 24.19 above us, and then we have this above us as well. So make sure to add these stops to your chart. Look for a reaction on your charts. We're going to zoom out here. I'm going to close that one up. We're going to zoom out here. We're going to pull this one that we just made across that we know is a range. So we'll pull this range right across. We go and make a range, pull the range across so that we can have it. We get rid of this volume profile. We got a range. We pull it across. We know that we can enter. This is our next range to enter, okay? So if we can make it up here, this is where I'd be looking to trade within until we move higher, right? But first we need to break this 28,800 level, right? So be very, very cautious on how you want to play this trade right now. A lot of people are looking to short, jump into shorts. Obviously, if people are selling, the price can continue to move up, right? So try to catch a short if you can, but right now I'd tread on the careful side. I mean, how can I say tread on the careful side when I'm jumping out of a plane? I don't know, but I am. So I hope you guys are practicing good risk management, and I hope you guys are profitable. Robert Demeter. I'm going to say Demeter. Diablo is one of my favorite games. Didn't know D4 is out. Yeah, the beta's out today. And then I think it's launch. No, another beta weekend next week. And then the launch is coming. So, yeah, big, popular, old school game. If you're in your 30s, you played Diablo 2, most likely. And, yeah, it's a massive game, Blizzard. Anyways, so where do we need to go back to? We need to go back to these levels down below here. Our first entrance to the lower levels is going to be down here at 20. Let's move these all over, right? It's going to be down at 26.2. Once we break 26.2, we can look to aim to this level here, which is very important as well, which is at 24. I'd say it's higher. It's around 25K, okay? As we look at 25K, we can see why this is because it's the entry into this range that we traded for so long, right? That we've been in and we've kind of messed around in for so long. Big hot dog that we got to watch for price to have a reaction. Now, obviously, with all this bullishness, all this pumpage, with the FUD of the banks, it looks like we're going to continue higher, but can we continue up in a straight line? Probably not. There's got to be some sort of retracement. That's why we'll look to these levels in order to find a rejection, in order to jump into a short and extract some profits, right? This 27.439 could be a level that you look to short from and look for some sort of trade setup. Currently, right now, I'm in a swing short, and my position is somewhere around, I think, 26.8 or something. It's low leverage. It's a short, and I'm looking for us to come back. I have quite a bit of room on this trade, and I'm looking for us to just come back. I think I'm only using 33x leverage. Right now, it's my birthday. I just wanted to throw on a trade. I'm on a swing trade. I'm looking for price to come down, right? With all this push up, I'm looking for price to slowly come down, over the weekend. The weekend's going to have low volume. I don't think it's going to move too much because we do have the Fed news coming out next week, which is inflation, which will really dictate the way the market's going to move overall, right? When we look at the S&P 500, it came up to this golden pocket area. It's dumped down, right? And looking at this, we're looking for a rejection off this trend line right around 3873. So we'll be looking around this area for a rejection and possibly a bounce up. But that's what we're looking for on the S&P. And as the S&P comes down, we can possibly look for a bounce off of that. So if we come down like we have, I'll remove this. We'll look for a bounce somewhere around here and make its way back upwards. But it is trading within this zone, which isn't very bullish or bearish for Bitcoin, but we'll look for it to continue possibly downwards. It is in a clear downtrend. If you can see, we have made our way down. So maybe we continue downwards to this area down here. Now, when we look at the Dixie, we can see that the Dixie is dumped, right? We're back down to 103, which is healthy for the Dixie, right? It means that maybe people are putting their dollars into risk assets, even though those dollars are just being bailed out by the banks, right? So we got to watch the Dixie. If it does break into the range down here below, we can look for much more price increase into Bitcoin, because as the dollar drops, if it drops out of this range into this one, we will see that lots of people are taking their money and putting it into risk assets yet again. There's a lot of uncertainty in the regular stock market, so we'll wait to see a reaction, because that will give us a better indication of which way price is going to go. If we do see a pump on the dollar, we can see that money will definitely come out of Bitcoin, right? So keep an eye on the Dixie. We'll look for a reaction from this level come Monday, and hopefully we can find something that helps us better understand why Bitcoin is flying rather than just being Bitcoin and flying, right? Because I'm going to be flying today. Has anybody flown before? Because we're going to be flying today. I'm excited. Hope you're excited. Hope you're having a good time. Shout out to everyone here. Don't forget to smash the like button. Subscribe if you haven't already. Give me some birthday likes. Come on, my friends. We've got this. Looking for Bitcoin to work its way back down. Looking for a rejection here. It's coming back up for revenge. We'll see how did you choose your 27.4 level? Well, 27.4, I just went through it with us, so we'll go over here. We went all the way over to the left here, right? We zoomed in, and we can see that there's a little bit of volume here. You see this little bit of volume? So we chose the point of control here, 27.480. We can pull this volume here, maybe, as well. So we got a little spike here. You see, when we pull this volume to the left, we got a little bit of spike of volume here. Now, this spike of volume will have a reaction, right? It is very little, but it is nonetheless a spike of volume with the lows of the previous range, right? So there's confluence here. This is why we picked these levels in order so we can see that we have the lows of this level. We have a volume spike here and a volume spike here, right? This gives us confluence, and it helps us definitely look for a level, right? It's a naked point of control. I remember you doing that. It wasn't just seeing it on my Binance BTC USD chart. Did you say 33x small leverage? Yes, I did. I mean, I'm normally up in the 70s, 60s, 50s minimum on my leverage. So yes, 33x is small leverage for myself. Use your leverage at your own discretion. And if you're struggling with trades and you're getting stopped out and you need more room, lower your leverage. Practice good risk management. Always preserve the capital, right? That's what we're always here to talk about. So keep an eye out for all these levels. Make sure to add them to your charts. And let's watch Bitcoin. It's our birthday. Let's play some Diablo. Let's watch the Bitcoin. Let's look for a reaction. Let's see if we get one up here. We're looking for a drop down, right? Where's it going to stop? Well, the big levels right here at 28.8. That's the entrance into the higher highs, right? And we also have this range above us here with a point of control as well up here. So there's many levels to the upside. To the downside, you can see that we have this 25.100 level. That is an entrance into the previous range, right? So if we are going to come down, we're going to see a reaction at 26.250, and then we'll see something around 25 below us, because we've had such swift movements in this 25 plus zone, right? Between 25.2 and the level that we're currently at right now, right? There's been such swift movement. So Alex, get in the Diablo queue. It's 1 hour. Are you serious? I'm going skydiving. I'll fire up the Diablo then. Oh man, 1 hour Diablo queue. That's crazy. So thank you guys so much for being here. It's my birthday. I'm going to go enjoy my birthday. You know what? You guys have made my birthday even more special to me. I'm going to go jump in a Diablo queue. Is there anything you guys want me to look at? We can see that everything is kind of behaving very similarly. We got Matic here just flying off the handles. We got Ethereum flying off the handles. Start it before you leave. Yeah, if I get into that Diablo queue early. Diablo 4 beta. We are aware. Look, they're already warm. Oh, great. Oh man. Everybody's leaving. They don't want to hang out here on the birthday because I'm going into Diablo. It's got some eerie music playing. Doo 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 doo. Oh, we were getting such exciting price action. Now it's kind of died off. No, it hasn't. It's coming back up for vengeance. It's coming back up. Oh, look at it go. And we got a 200 here, 180, 180, 172, 172, 171, 164, 164, 164, 174, 180, 180, 180, 180. Can I get a 300? Can I get a 300? 300. I want you to enjoy your birthday. Happy birthday. Go have an awesome day. Thank you guys so much. Join us in the Discord. Like and subscribe if you haven't already. Support the channel. Yeah, there's a huge queue for Diablo. I just closed it. I ain't about that life. 98 minutes. 90. Look at that. That's crazy. That's crazy. Never mind. Thank you guys for being here. I will be in the Discord. Do you put much weight on the fib extensions for entries? No, I do not use them. I love Fibonacci retracements, but the extensions to me are very, depending. I know you pull from the highs and the lows and then you get the levels up above, but for me, I don't put much weight on them. No, I don't. Thank you guys so much for your support. Thank you for being in the Discord. I appreciate you guys. We're gonna have to play some video games live with you guys. Maybe we'll put a video game section in the Discord, something like that. This is a video game. Look at we're on the computer trying to trade crypto, trying to extract profits. Looks like we're not getting above this area here at 27,250. It's attempting. Never use a fib extension. Yeah, it's to me, you can find areas where it's worked, but to me it's risky business, man. Let's zoom out. Let's look at this. Watch out for that otter. He's out to get us. We're going to group all this up so it's not a big mess. Make sure to throw this into a group. Then you can control it all. See, very easily done. Like dinner. So, fibs. Let's see if we can pull some fibs here. Oof. Look at that. What would you know? What would you know? We're just popping off of the golden pocket, punching through. Right? It came down to here. Yeah. I mean, right now, I would look for support and resistance to be more clear indicators of this range. To me, it's all about this range here and getting back into it, right? So I would be definitely watching for price to come up to this level, react off of the bottom of this range here. You can see all the multiple wicks, right? You can see this requires patience because it's going to be the weekend and we're not going to get there, in my opinion, unless we do some magical push right now and get up into this area, right? So for me, I'm watching this area here, obviously across the board. Carry it over. We can, if we look at this objectively, we can see that price has moved up extremely fast, right? Extremely fast, like faster than I've ever seen. Like this move right here, we're talking 7 days, right? Like, wow, right? Wow, massive move. So it'd be more healthy to see a retrace right now. Whether we get a retrace or not, well, we'll have to wait. And then we pull up our other levels with this retracement. Yeah, so the 382 would be healthy. That makes sense to me. 382. We already have this marked out, but this is, like I said, this is the entrance into the range from below, right? So this is where we're looking for a reaction. And as price comes down, we can obviously go into our smaller term time frames, look at the volume coming in, right? Look at this right now. The volume's coming in, absolutely. We can see a spike in volume, failure to get above, a retest, volume's cooled off, VWAP remains below. The VWAP has been very helpful on this move up. You can see multiple touches, right? So as we've crawled up, it stayed above, touch. That's an entry, right? Basically a touch. This is probably a fib retracement too. If we go from here to here, absolutely. You see? So there's multiple ways you can find entries into longs here, right? Fib retracement, touch on the V, coming down to the VWAP, looking for an entry here with good risk management. You can trade these ranges, right? If you want, I don't know why this is in the way, but you could have longed from here, from this golden pocket, you know, target up to that 24 zone. Very, very simple, right? Keep this below the swing lows here. Give yourself an opportunity to make some coin, right? There's always opportunities in the market if you're looking for them and you're practicing good risk management. Look at us, we're attempting again. Whew. Even with this lower volume, we're still attempting to push up higher, right? It wants to go higher. Could be cooling off. Another attempt. Here it comes again. Nada. Mrs. Otter, come say happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Thanks, Mrs. Otter. Are we jumping out of a plane?
Yep. Got my spiritual gangster shirt on.
She's got her spiritual gangster shirt on. She's ready to jump out of a plane. So let's keep an eye on this. I'm looking for a short right now. Hope you guys are all looking for a short. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to you guys. Thank you so much for being here. We're going to get out of here because, you know, we've got a plane to jump out of. I'll be in the Discord. Much love to every single one of you. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for your support on this journey. We're growing. The community is growing. Great people here along the way. So thank you so much for being here. God bless you all. Be safe out there. I'll see you in the next one. Take care and goodbye for now. Bye. Thank you. Love you. Bye. Happy birthday. Woo woo.